Hello students, welcome back to the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Standard 7, Subject English. Dear students, today we will go further in Unit 2, How Things Work. In the previous video, we have discussed about Activity 3, in which we have discussed about different gadgets which work on electricity and how they work. Today, we will see Activity 4. How does it do that? Part 2. So let's see students. The answer to all these questions are found in how light works. Many questions comes to our mind. And previous video also we have discussed about the difference between the oven and the microwave oven, refrigerator, how it works, how washing machine operates, what is the work of the mirror, magnifying glasses, zoom in the camera. All these questions answers get that how the light works. We know that we can only see things when there is a light, right? Do you know students that in the daytime only we are able to see the things, and the night when there is a darkness, there is no electricity, we are not able to see the things. Suppose in our house, whatever the things are there, table, chair or whatever the things, we are able to see when there is a light only. Some things like light bulbs and fireflies make their own light, but most of the things do not. Some things are there like a light bulb which is not switch on, then also little light we can see, or fireflies, one kind of insect which having the light in that, shining insect which we can see in the darkness also. We can see them only in the darkness because they have their own light, so we are able to see. But most of the things do not have their own light, like non-living things are there, table, chair or other things are there, they don't have their own light. We are not able to see them in the darkness. So how do we see them? We see them because they reflect light. We are able to see them, the things, in the night also because they reflect light. Light is energy made of many very tiny parts called photons. Already in the first video only we have discussed the meaning of these photons. Photon is what? The tiny particles of light. So the light is energy. Light is made up of tiny parts of this light. This is called photon. And the photons of light heat the things and bounce back just like the ball does. So these photons, a tiny part of a light, heat on the things. Suppose when we see the table or a chair or something, so tiny parts of that light fall on them, fall on the things, and they bounce back, means they reflect on our eyes, and we are able to see the things. Like a ball, now ball we throw to the wall and it bounces back, it comes back, like that. The light, tiny particles fall on the things and they reflect on our eyes and we see the things. If the things they hit is hard and smooth like a mirror, almost all the light photons bounce back. If the thing we are seeing that is hard and smooth like a mirror only, mirror is hard, so all the photons, all the tiny particles of that light bounce back. If the thing is hard, then all the small photons, tiny particles will reflect back. The photons bounce back to our eyes. If all the photons bounce back, we see something that looks just like the surface. And when all the photons, all the tiny particles bounce back, reflect to our eyes, all the photons bounce back, we see the things. We look the things just like the surface, how they look, how the surface. That way we can see the things. Suppose wall, now wall is straight only. So we are able to see them, see that there is a wall, surface, because all the tiny particles bounce back. But if the thing is soft or not smooth like a blanket, fewer of the photons bounce back and they bounce back at a different angle. But suppose the thing is soft only, like a blanket example is given here, not smooth, and a blanket. So all the photons means all the tiny particle will not bounce back. Only few particles, few photons will bounce back, and they are also at different angle. You can see in this picture. First we can see the hard surface where all the tiny particles same way bounce back, while here you can see the rough surface where all the tiny particles going at the different level. See, all are not reaching to the eyes straightly, all tiny particles are going to the different angle. So when the thing is soft like a blanket, then only few photons bounce back, and they bounce at the different angles. When the bouncing photons enter our eyes, we can see the shape of the thing they bounce from, and we are able to see because they are coming from the different angle. So we are able to see this shape. Suppose the blanket is there, so we are able to see the shape of the things because they are coming from the different angle. Suppose you see the chair or a table, because the tiny particles which is bouncing back, they are from different angle, and we are able to see that this is the shape of the chair or this is the shape of the table. So shape we come to know through this, by different tiny particles from different angles coming to our eyes, and we come to know the shape of the thing. So everything you see is really just bouncing photons showing you the shape of the things they hit. So everything we see, they are according the photons how they are bouncing. It's showing the shape of the things. Now many different things, different shape, and they are bouncing. The photons are bouncing from the different angle, and we see the shape of that particular things. So this way we are able to see the things. This is the activity 4. How does it do that, part 2. Okay, so up to here only we will keep in this video. How does it do that, part 2. Here you have to read this activity again at home. We will discuss the further activity in the next video. Okay, thank you very much students. Bye bye and take care.